So, good afternoon, sir. So, we are the third year of the SHM students, and we are here today to ask some questions about your business or your establishment. And we would like to say thank you for the opportunity you gave to us on agreeing and hosting us here today. So, my first question is, what are your hours of operations in your establishment?
Mga time to mo start sa mga diri opening is 9:45, then ang 10 is preparation for opening, then mo open at 11.
Okay, thank
So,
you, sir.
do you offer takeout or delivery orders?
Yes, we offer take out our delivery through Hatod Food. Mutawag rami Hatod Food kung naay mo order nga mag take out mo na siya.
And then, how many employees does this restaurant have?
We have uh, six six employees. Naami ang regular is lima, then nami one on call nga usa.
I see. So how long does this business operates here in Bayawan?
It almost 2 years na ang operate ni sa bayan kay bago-bago pa din ang Darawan Bye.
How do you maintain your relationship with your suppliers?
To maintain ang ito
How do you maintain your relationship with your suppliers?
to maintain sa relationship sa mga suppliers kay to create and build honest and trust and confidence sa imong supplier, then kan mo pay kag bills on time para namoy good relationship sa busa.
So, for our last question, sir, is what advice you can give to someone who wants to start their own business?
At ako ang matag advice sa mo start o business kay create create or start a product or service that you're passionate about it, and dedicate your time to it, and more na siya.
Yes, that's all then, Rapod, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. So, thank you.
Thank you.